Leaves, Leaves, Leaves. Written and illustrated by Nancy Elizabeth Wallace. Spring. It's spring, said Mama. Would you like to go on a leaf walk, Buddy Bear? Yes, said Buddy. I like to find leaves. The early spring air felt warm. The earth was cool and damp. Where are the leaves, Mama? Asked Buddy. Mama tugged gently on a branch. Look carefully. What do you see? I see bumps. Those are buds, said Mama. Buddy touched a bud. The new leaves are folded up very tightly inside. The bud scales protect the leaves. When the bud scales open, the young leaves will start to unfold. Like this? Asked Buddy. Yes, my little bud. They walked farther on. The sun felt warm and nice. Buddy picked a leaf. What do you see? Mama asked. I see this flat part. That's the blade. I see lines. Those are the veins. The part I'm holding is the stem, said Buddy. How do leaves know when it's time to come out, Mama? It's spring. The daylight hours are growing longer. The spring rain has been falling. The weather is getting warmer. It's time for the leaves to come out and start making food for the trees, she answered. Food? I'm hungry too, said Buddy. Let's eat. They ate crackers and drank juice. Mama, what did the big leaf say to the little leaf? What? Don't leave me. Mama laughed. Summer. It's summer, said Mama. Would you like to go on another leaf walk, Buddy Bear? Yes, said Buddy. I want to find lots of leaves. The summer air felt hot. Mama and Buddy put down their blanket at the edge of the woods. Mama, go look for some leaves. I'll look for some too, said Buddy. First, they spread Buddy's leaves on the blanket. What do you see? Asked Mama. I see shapes, said Buddy. One looks like a star. I see the one that looks like a heart. There's kind of a round one and a skinny one that looks like a feather. One leaf looks like a mitten and one looks like a fan. Leaves have different ages too, Buddy, said Mama. Look at mine. Do you see a leaf that's jagged? And one that has an edge like a saw? Yes, said Buddy. And I see a wavy one and one that's smooth. I'm still looking, said Buddy. All of the leaves have something the same. What's that, Buddy? They're all green. Why, Mama? They're green because of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll? What's that? Asked Buddy. Mama started to draw a picture on Buddy's drawing pad. She explained, it's a chemical that's in the leaves in spring and in summer. Chlorophyll helps the leaves turn the sunlight and the rain and part of the air and nutrients from the soil into food for the plant. How? Asked Buddy. When we breathe out a gas called carbon dioxide. The tree takes this gas in through teeny openings in its leaves. Buddy breathed into his paw. He looked. I don't see any carbon dioxide. You're right, said Mama. It's invisible. Mama kept drawing. Buddy helped. Rainwater and nutrients travel from the earth into roots, up the trunk, through the branches, through the stems, and into the leaves. The sun shines on the leaves. The chlorophyll in the leaves and the water and nutrients that come from the earth and the carbon dioxide that comes from the air make the food that travels to all parts of the tree. The leaves are making food. I'm hungry, said Buddy. Let's eat. They ate berries and drank lemonade. I'm a leaf, Mama. I'm sucking the water and nutrients up, up, up. Mama? Yes, Buddy. What did the tree take on vacation? What? A trunk. Buddy laughed. Fall. It's fall, said Mama. Would you like to take another walk and collect leaves, Buddy Bear? I like collecting leaves, said Buddy. The air was cool and crisp. The leaves crunched under their feet. Buddy yelled, "Red, orange, yellow leaves!" Why did the leaves change, Mama? In the fall, there are fewer daylight hours, so there is less sunlight. The ground and air are colder. The chlorophyll that made the leaves green is disappearing. The yellow and orange that have been there all the time can now be seen. What about red? Asked Buddy. The red is made from leftover food in the leaves, explained Mama. Hold my hands, Buddy Bear, said Mama. I am the tree, you are the leaf. When the leaves are new and young, they are connected to the tree. In spring, in summer, in the wind, in the rain. By fall, the leaves are old. They have done their job. Now, leaf, hold on by one finger. What will happen, leaf, when it rains, when the wind blows? I fall, shouted Buddy. I think that's why this season is called fall, Mama. I'm hungry. Let's eat. They sat on a rock and ate apples and drank apple juice. Mama? Yes, Buddy. What has bark but no bite? What? A tree. Mama giggled. Winter. It's winter, said Mama Bear. Let's go for a leaf walk, shouted Buddy. The winter air was cold and dry. The earth was covered with snow. High up in a tree, a few pale brown leaves still held on. They rustled in the wind. The leaves are almost gone, Mama. The trees are resting, said Mama. In their roots, food is stored for winter. The leaves that fell in the fall are under the snow. Buddy found a leaf. Look, Mama, this leaf has brown veins and lots of holes. Yes, Buddy, the leaves are rotting. The food that's left in them is changing into rich earth that will feed the trees and plants through their roots. Mama pulled gently on a branch. What do you see? Buds, shouted Buddy. Yes, my winter buddy, they're waiting for spring. It's getting cold. Let's go inside. I'm getting hungry, said Buddy. Let's go eat. Mama and Buddy ate some soup. Mama? Yes, Buddy. What did the tree say to the bear cub in winter? What? I'm bear. You're bear. Mama chuckled. Then, while the trees rested, Mama and Buddy rested too. Leaves, a food factory. Photosynthesis is the name for what happens when chlorophyll in leaves changes the sun's energy, carbon dioxide, and water into nutrients from the soil into food. Photo means light. Synthesis means change. Sun gives off heat and light energy. Carbon dioxide is an invisible gas in the air used by leaves to make food. Stem is the slender stalk that supports and connects the leaf to the branch. Chlorophyll is the green chemical in leaves that changes the sun's energy, carbon dioxide, and water into nutrients from the soil into food, Blade is the flat part of a leaf. Veins are the tubes that carry water, nutrients, and food in leaves. Veins also spread the blades wide to catch the sun's energy. Trunk is the tree's main stem. Water and nutrients travel up from the soil to the branches and the leaves. Food made by the leaves is carried through the trunk to all parts of the tree to be used or stored. Nutrients come from rotted leaves, which make soil rich and fertile. Roots are the part of the tree that is underground. Water and nutrients in the soil travel into the roots, up the trunk, and into the leaves to make food. Food is also stored in the roots. Water in the soil comes from rain, snow, sleet, hail, and fog. Leaf, oh leaf, a poem. Leaf, oh leaf, you're a food factory, making food all day for all parts of the tree. You use energy from the sun, that's light energy, and a chemical called chlorophyll. It's the green that we see. Through teeny tiny openings, CO2 is taken in. You use the part that's carbon and give off the oxygen. There's water in the soil. There are nutrients too. In the roots and up the trunk, they travel up to you. Nutrients, water, CO2, sunlight. This is what you use, leaf. The recipe is right. You put it all together, you're a food factory. The sugar that you make feeds all parts of the tree. Wow. Rub a leaf. Tulip, poplar, white oak, eastern redbud, sweet gum, ginkgo, scarlet oak, maple, serviceberry, dogwood, sassafras, birch, elm, willow, and sassafras.